వర్కింగ్ మోడల్ ఒకసారి చూపెట్టి వాళ్ళు
చూపించరా సార్ మీరు పోలేండి అది లేపుతారు.
అమ్మాయి దాదాపుర కొట్టకు మంచిగా మాట్లాడు ఏంటి మంచిగా నువ్వు క్యాజువల్ కూడా
చాలా పైసలు ఇచ్చింది వరగా
బంద్ చేయి ఆన్ చేయి ఆన్ చేయి
My name is Bijal from Science Studying Office. The product is air conditioner. An air conditioner often refused to as AC.
My name is Shruti. I am studying 6th class. My name is Shruti. I am studying 6th class. Our project name is Lighthouse. This is six electric.
My name is Manashri. I am studying 9th class.
My name is Pujika. I am studying 9th class. Our project name is Women Safety Bracelet, Connectivity in Push Button. This device is
Durgam Srivarsa. I am studying 6th class. My project name is Smoke. My project name is water cycling.
My name is Gautam Manashri. I am studying for 6th class.
Water evaporator. My name is Anvesh. I am studying 8th class.
My name is Venkatesh. Studying in 8th class.
Firstly, I brought some big paper. So shots.
This is a working model. Uses of hydraulic lift. Hydraulic lift operate on Pascal's principle which states that pressure applied to an